Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us in a series of our pioneer figures of Indian modern history. Today we are here having some important MCQs on Bagha Jatin or Jatindra Nath Mukherjee, who was an independent activist and principal leader of the Jugantar Party, which was the central association of revolutionary activities in Bengal region. Let's start beginning with the first slide. The first question in the first slide is, who was the first commander in chief of the Jugantar Party in 1906? Option A, Bagha Jatin. Option B, Rajbihari Bose. Option C, Bhagat Singh. Or option D, Manvendra Nath Roy. Which option is correct? And your correct option is option A, who was the first commander in chief of the Jugantar Party, which was founded in 1906 after the Bengal partition. Now moving to second question, who said that the political freedom is necessary for the spiritual progress of humanity? Option A, Gandhi ji. Option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option C, Mahadev Govind Ranade. And option D, Jatindra Nath Mukherjee or Bagha Jatin. Which option is correct for the statement political freedom is necessary for the spiritual progress of humanity? And correct option is option D, Jatindra Nath Mukherjee, who said that the political freedom is necessary for the spiritual progress of humanity. Now moving to third question, which statement is correct? First, he was indulged in the revolutionary activities seeking independence from British government, and second, he joined Anusilan Samiti and Young Yugantar as well. And your option is only first, and second is only second, and third is both, and option D is none. Which option is correct? And the correct answer is option C, both. Both is correct because he joined the Anusilan Samiti and Yugantar as well, and also indulged in the revolutionary activities. Now moving to second last question, who said the statement Amra Marbo Jagat Jagbe? Option A, Bagha Jatin. Option B, Arbindo Ghosh. Option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. And option D, Ras Bihari Bose. Which option is correct? And correct option is option A, Bagha Jatin, who said Amra Marbo Jagat Jagbe. Now moving to last question. Be careful before marking your answer. Mark the incorrect statements. He was secretary of the barrister Bringley Kennedy, and second, he was assisted by Ras Bihari Bose in revolutionary activities in Bengal during World War I, and third, he died succumbing the wound after the gun battle in the forest of Mayurbhanj on 10th September 1915. Which option is incorrect? Be careful before marking your answer. Here question is asking for incorrect statement, and option A only first and second, option B only second and third, and option C only third, and option D none. And correct option is and correct option is option D, because all the three statements are correct. He was the secretary of barrister Pingley Kennedy, as well as he was assisted by Ras Bihari Bose in revolutionary activities in 1915, and also died after the gun battle in forest of Mayurbhanj on 10th September 1915. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.